In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll be confidently opening Acrobat, signing in, finding your way around the Home and Tools views, and getting a document ready to work on. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You can launch it from your Start menu or Applications folder, or by using your system search to find Acrobat quickly. If you've pinned it to your taskbar or dock, click it there. Whether you're using the full Acrobat app or the free reader, the launch process is the same. If you see a prompt to update, let it complete. Running the latest version helps avoid sign-in glitches and unlocks the most reliable tools. When Acrobat opens, you'll be prompted to sign in. Click the Sign In option and choose the account method that applies to you, such as your standard Adobe ID or your organization's login if you use an enterprise account. Make sure you're connected to the internet so the sign-in completes smoothly. After you authenticate, Acrobat will remember you on this device, so future launches are faster. If you ever switch accounts, use the Profile menu in the corner to sign out and back in. After you're signed in, you'll land on the Home view. Think of Home as your dashboard. You'll see your recent files for quick access, plus items you've marked as favorites or shared with others. If you use cloud storage, you'll also see locations where your documents live. Across the top or left panel, you'll find the Tools area. This is where Acrobat groups everything you can do with your PDFs. Common options include Edit PDF, Organize Pages, Combine Files, Export, and Fill and Sign. Hover over a tool to see a short description, then open it to learn more. If you don't see a tool, it may require a specific plan. Acrobat will let you know. Now you're ready to bring in a document. To upload an existing file, choose Open from the Home view or use File, then Open, and browse to your PDF. You can also drag and drop a file right into the Acrobat window. If you need to digitize a paper document, select the Scan tool. Choose your scanner, pick a resolution, 300 dots per inches is a good balance, and scan the pages. Acrobat can run text recognition, so your scanned pages become searchable and editable. Once your file's open, select the tool you need, such as Edit PDF or Organize Pages. Save a copy with a new name if you want to preserve the original, and you're all set to begin working.